Hi, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to use Camtasia. So Camtasia has a lot going for it. One of the things that it probably the strongest thing it has for it going for it is that it can be used like Screencastify to record a screen. So I'm just going to demo showing you. So hey, if you wanted to know some information about how can I keep up with the sports now that we're semi back to school. Okay, so I can go to our homepage, the Tinley Park homepage. I can click on athletics. Um, from here, I can, if you scroll down, you could basically get a nice overview of what games are going on this week and whether they're home or away. If you wanted more specifically to take a look at, maybe you want to know what you want to go to a volleyball game and you want to know, hey, how are they doing and what's coming up? I can go to the schedule, and then over here on the left, you'll see photos, schedule, and usually there'd be photos, but we're in a COVID year. So here's this schedule, and here's how they've been doing. Okay, and then so you can choose which home game you want to go to. All right. So, but I also want to. So the sports that are going on right now are football, soccer, and volleyball. Okay. So those are the three big ones. But the other thing is that the football team on Friday, basically, they broadcast live on YouTube. So let's take a look at what they're under TPHS Athletics, if you ever want to follow them. And this is their homepage. And I'm going to look at the games so far. So this is no, they just picked. Anyway, so that's kind of a cool thing. If you can't go to the game, you want to watch it while you're doing dishes on a Friday night, that's an option. Okay, so that's how you can use Camtasia.